Hi guys! In this video, we are going to draw Apple AirPods, the third generation. So, let's get started! So first, start with the rectangle at the bottom. And then change the sharp corners at the bottom to round. And when you are done, erase the practice lines. And at the top, we are going to draw the cap, but we are going to start with the rectangle again and change the size to round. Be sure that the top rectangle is shorter than the bottom rectangle. Now, let's make the entire left side and right side round. And when you are done, erase those practice lines. Now, above the cap, we are going to draw the actual earphone piece. So on the top right, draw a circle that's a little long in the diagonal way, and another same circle on the left side. Now let's draw a tall and skinny rectangle at the bottom, but instead of a straight line at the bottom, draw a curvy line. And do the same thing on the left side. Now let's erase those overlapping areas. Now we are going to draw two curvy triangles inside a cap. So start from here, we are going to draw a curvy line following the cap outline. And make a dot at the center of the cap, and from the top, draw another curvy line to the dot. And draw another curvy line to close the shape. We will do the same thing on the right side, so make the center dot, draw a curvy line from the top to the dot, and draw another curvy line following the outline of the cap, and close the shape with another curvy line at the bottom. And draw a straight line at the bottom of the earphone, like this. Now, inside a circle, we are going to draw the two circles, one small one at the left bottom corner and one big one at the top right corner. And do the same thing on the left side. Back to the cap at the bottom, we are going to draw a very shallow rectangle for the hinge, and right underneath, draw a tiny circle, which is the light. Now let's draw the face. So on the left side, draw a big circle for the eye, and draw a small circle inside the bottom left, and another tiny circle at the top for the highlights. When you're done, fill in the eye except for those two highlights. And draw two eyelashes on the top left corner. Now we are going to draw a winking eye on the right side, so draw a two curvy line like this. Now let's draw a big open laughing mouth. So in between the eyes, draw a curvy triangle and draw a line in the middle for the tongue. And draw a squish the circle underneath the eye for the blush. Now all the pencil sketches are done, so we're going to move to a permanent marker, and I'm going to fast forward from now. In real life, AirPods are white, so you can totally leave it white and call it done. Or you can just add some shadows with grays to make it look more 3D. Or you can color it with any color you like and have more fun. Personally, I decided to go with lavender, and I'm loving my color choice so much. Wow, your AirPods came out so cute and realistic. Congratulations! Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and check out my other drawing tutorials. Thank you again. Bye!